In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp. We'll use Make.com to link these two tools so information can flow automatically between them. Make is an automation platform that connects apps without code, and it's perfect for building a reliable bridge between your accounting and project management workflows. First, head to Make.com and log into your account. If you work in multiple teams or workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Having the right permissions helps avoid connection issues later, so it's a good idea to verify you can add or manage integrations in your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Connections. Think of the Connections area as your central place to securely authorize apps you want to use with Make. It's where you can see what's already connected, remove anything you no longer use, or prepare new apps for your automations. If this is your first time here, don't worry, nothing changes in your apps just by visiting this page. You're simply reviewing and managing access. Next, open the Scenario Builder. This is the canvas where you design how data moves between tools. A scenario in Make is just an automation made of modules that perform actions or watch for events. The builder gives you a visual way to plan the flow so you always know what's happening and when. Inside the Scenario Builder, search for QuickBooks and add it to your canvas. You'll see a module appear, and this will represent the accounting side of your workflow. Then click the plus icon and search for ClickUp to add a second module. Placing both apps on the canvas sets the foundation of the integration. QuickBooks on one side, ClickUp on the other, ready to exchange data. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to authorize access for each app through Make. That's normal and ensures your data is handled securely. At this point, you've successfully brought both services into a single scenario. From here, you can decide how you want them to interact, whether that's sending updates from QuickBooks into ClickUp tasks or preparing ClickUp to receive accounting details that help your team stay aligned. As you continue, it's helpful to think about the direction of data, the events you care about, and any fields that matter most to your workflow. Keeping those details in mind will make the next step smooth when you configure the modules. That's it for setting up the core connection in Make.com. You now have the structure in place to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp.